WSTKS-FM Worldwide, digital collaborative learning for the 21st century. Hello again, everyone. It's Professor Schwartz here in the WSTKS-FM Worldwide studios with another mug of coffee and my feline friend Onyx the cat. Join us today to learn how to develop your problem-solving and collaborative skills through 3 team-building activities that can help you open the door to more cohesive and effective collaboration for the remainder of the course. Follow the advice presented in today's program and set yourself up to succeed through the active cultivation of numerous 21st century employability skills as you and your student learning team examine course materials, create, and share new knowledge about those each week. Through an ongoing and democratic process of collaboration, your own learning and related coursework become more cohesive, efficient, and meaningful. After a quick musical break, we'll look at how you can develop your problem-solving and collaborative skills with 3 team-building activities. Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. Glad you're here. Okay, let's look at the first of 3 activities you can use to cultivate your problem-solving and collaborative skills. Team-building activity number 1 is Digital Hare and Hounds, an online scavenger hunt of sorts. Complete 3 out of the following 5 choices. 1. Find and evaluate, that is, discuss the pros, the cons, and overall usefulness of an unfamiliar and free cloud-based tool to encourage more diverse, equitable, and inclusive collaboration within your student learning team. Choice number 2, find and evaluate a free app besides Zoom or Microsoft Teams that allows your student learning team to communicate and conference more easily in real time. Choice 3, find and evaluate unfamiliar and free online collaborative software that facilitates quicker problem-solving within your team. Choice 4, find and evaluate an unfamiliar and free program that enhances critical thought among your student learning team members during weekly collaboration. And finally, choice 5, find and evaluate a new and free online project management tool to assist your student learning team with its remaining collaborative projects. To finish this activity, create a Google slide presentation to present your findings to the class. You have 35 minutes, so organize and work fast. Thank you for joining me today, everyone. Team building activity 2 is what I call the Student Learning Team Building Block Challenge. Here's your hypothetical problem to consider. A student learning team has been hindered by poor communication, limited engagement and participation from 2 or 3 of its 5 team members, mediocre weekly discussion analysis meetings, and/or collaborative project development. How can your team build a solution to help these students improve their collaboration each week? To start, one member of your team should write down a solution on a sheet of paper and pass it to the next team member, who builds upon that idea and then passes it along to the other members of the team one at a time. Pass the paper around until each team member has added to the original solution. Repeat this cycle 3 or 4 times. When your team has completed the problem-solving cycles, a spokesperson presents the team's ultimate solution or solutions to the other members of the team. When you finish this exercise, be sure to create a Google slide presentation to share your collaborative building blocks with the rest of the class. Again, you have 35 minutes, So get organized and work fast. Time is of the essence. WSTKS-FM Worldwide, digital collaborative learning for the 21st century. If you find this podcast helpful, be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe. And we're back. Team building activity 3 is what I call Professor Schwartz's IAH Shark Tank. Collaborate to develop an innovative yet practical new way or process for student learning teams to work together more effectively each week. Prepare a sales pitch for your innovation, as well as a description of cost, if any, a specific purpose, and how student learning teams can use your innovation to collaborate more effectively each week. When you're done, create a Google Slide presentation to present your work to the class. Be sure to organize yourselves and work quickly. You have just 35 minutes. Welcome back, everyone, and that will almost do it for today's episode. If you have been wondering how to help your team become more cohesive and collaborate more effectively each week, try one or perhaps all 3 of these team-building activities and develop your problem-solving and collaborative skills in the process. To recap, the team-building activities covered today include 1. Digital Hare and Hounds, an online scavenger hunt, 2. The Student Learning Team Building Block Challenge, and 3. Professor Schwartz's IAH Shark Tank. Tune in again to WSTKS-FM Worldwide for more helpful tips, tricks, and advice based on my 25-plus years of teaching and working with thousands of undergraduates at 3 Big Ten universities across the upper Midwest of the United States. In the meantime, thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in class, online, and during Zoom office hours if you drop by with a question. Stay healthy, have a safe and a productive week in the meantime. With special regards from Onyx, the cat what am. So long, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now. You've just heard a podcast from WSTKS-FM Worldwide, digital collaborative learning for the 21st century.